Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. These are the three wingers Kaizer Chiefs should be looking at. The wing position is one position we definitely must mention in this transfer window. Claude Lilepo is our only, impactful winger when it comes to output. Also have the likes of Veleva, who's not ready. Pule Modi, not efficient going forward. Fundo Vilagazi, still young. So yeah, this is one position we definitely should be prioritizing in this transfer window. At number three, I've gone with Saluleko Mahlambi, 20 years of age from TS Galaxy. 6 goals, 6 assists in 29 games. I think that's impressive. 12 goals, involvements. I think that's decent, man. That's decent for a young winger playing in a mid-table team. I think that's decent. I can live with that. He's very rapid, skillful, and the game which made me say, you know what, this guy is a real deal. When they beat Mamelodi Sundowns 3-2, he was unplayable. He was unplayable. He was cooking Zugom Tunyelo. And yeah, so I think he is ready. He is young, of course, but he's proven himself in the league. Only had one season, but yeah, compared to what we have, I think um, he would add something really good, something special there, and he wouldn't be that expensive for a player who only played one season, still young. So yeah, this is a deal definitely Kaizer Chiefs should be definitely looking at. And at number two, I've gone um, with Keletso Magalwa, the assist king, 29 years of age. He's an experienced player, having played at Sundowns, 2 seasons at Kukune. He's backed 20 assists in 2 seasons. I mean, that's very impressive. That's very impressive. He's the assist king, and he's not really, a 1v1 player, skillful player, but numbers don't lie. 20 assists in 2 seasons, bro. That's way more than what our wingers generate. So this is definitely one deal I'd be looking at. I wouldn't be surprised if Orlando Pirates announced him tomorrow. This is a great player and he's proven himself in the league. And Kaizer Chiefs were reportedly interested in him last season, but he was always going to be expensive. So we definitely should be going back to try again this season. Come on, come on. And at number one, I've gone with Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch, 21 years of age, 9 goals last season. That's impressive for a player who was not, an undisputed stature. He was, more of a super sub. He's very direct, very skillful, very quick. The output is there. 9 goals. That's impressive. So this is definitely one deal we should be looking at. This is my number one, my number one preference in that position. So if we are a serious team, if we are an ambitious team, we should be getting at least two. We should be getting two. We must get two from these three. We must get two, and I'd go for Keletso Magalwa and Langelihle Phili. Cause with Keletso Magalwa, I get an experienced player. With Langelihle Phili, I think he's more talented than Saluleko Mahlambi. So that's why I'd slightly edge to Langelihle Phili over Saluleko Mahlambi. But if you get me, Saluleko Mahlambi and Keletso Magalwa, cool. If you get me Keletso Magalwa, no, if you get me Langelihle Phili and Saluleko Mahlambi, perfect. If you get all three, fantastic, fantastic. But if you can't get even one, I am losing my shit. I am washing my hands. If we end up not signing not even one from these three, then we are absolute trash. We are absolute trash. And yeah, let me know in the comment section. Um, who you'd take, if there's a winger, exciting winger in the Betway Premiership. Yeah, smash a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out.